So, as a student of Trimex colleges, sobrang importante sa akin na lahat ng datas ko, school record, sensitive information, protected. So, I know that Trimex colleges, lahat ng employees nila is well educated na lahat ng student information, lahat yon is restricted at hindi at confidential. So, hindi nila pwedeng ilabas yun. Siguro ang pwede lang nila ilabas is yung mga name, ganyan. Pero, alam mo yun, alam namin na secured kami. Also, they got us a um, email for educational purposes only para hindi kami masyadong naaano sa ibang so that email is only for for school purposes, ganon. And I'm sure that they are regularly maintenance na maayos yung portal namin, ganyan. I-maintain yung security ng mga website na gagamitin. So, ayun. The combination of stenography and cryptography is to improve information security by making data protected and harder. Somehow, we need to be carefully, especially to the advantage and challenges of stenography and cryptography to ensure that it is appropriate and effective. Caesar cipher is easily breakable nowadays because the technology now try to search on Google search about Caesar cipher cryptography ganon. And may makikita ka dun mga website na ilalagay mo lang yung shifting key and word na gusto mong malaman and you got the message. Kaya parang easily breakable na siya. Also, ginagamit na din siya for education, ganon. Para, ano, so ayun. So, I think, naging effective siya nung Asian time because limited lang din yung nakakaalam ng about sa Caesar cipher. And hindi naman din lahat kasi is alam yon. Wala silang knowledge about wala din silang knowledge about di lang sila walang knowledge sa Caesar cipher. Also, wala din silang knowledge sa cryptography. Also, parang nung time nila, konti lang din yung masyadong nakakaalam ng cryptography. Selected individuals lang, ganon. Yung mga nag-aaral, ganyan. Kasi nga napag-aaralan na. So, ayun. Thank you.